Hi, my name is Scott Rohde. I'm the product sales manager at Surveyor, and today we're going to walk you through the 320 BHLE, Bunkhouse Legend. We focused on two demographics: families that have a number of kids and want to sleep a lot of people, this will sleep up to 10 people, or a couple that wants to either bring another couple or just another adult with them, because we have a room that forms a real nice second bedroom. You've got a full bathroom down by the master bedroom, but you also have, what's really cool, is a half bath. So this is a bath and a half model. The half bath is accessible for those staying in this room or the living area at night. Also an entry door off this bathroom. So if you're outside, you don't want to walk through the whole coach, you've got another entry door to the bathroom. So where I'm standing right now, you can see a super slide. U-shape dinette gives a lot of seating space. You'll have doors that open up underneath the dinette, adding extra storage. As I move over here, there's a nice sofa. Above my head is we added this extra storage, and in a coach this size, extra storage matters. So I move over, we increase the size of the TV. It's a 39-inch TV, optional now. A nice entertainment center. We've got some shiplap on the back. And near the doorway, we put some coat hooks as well as a broom hook right near the door. So hopefully you'll appreciate that when you're comparing this model to others. So as we go through this room, certain things stand out. Standard in this coach is a larger AC, 15K Coleman Mach, another pantry. We went ahead and undermounted the sinks this year in the Legends, so you've got extra counter space when we add the sink covers. Behind the oven, you'll see place for chef's knives, steak knives, and then we did this pretty cool where we put a cup, see even with the Surveyor logo and all that, microwave above, and then of course some extra storage with a real neat prism glass curio. Big refrigerator in a coach like this. It's a 12-volt residential size Norcold refrigerator. As we move into the back room, you'll be able to see what we did a little bit different in there. We looked at everyone else that was doing a bath and a half with a bunk room slide like we have here. So over the years, this right here would not give you an extra bunk. You just have some more storage, a place for a TV, and you wouldn't be able to use this as an extra sleeper. Drawers and storage there, easy bunk ladder. You can see we've got AC vents in here that you can point this direction, or you can close the flow if it gets too cold on the person up here. We did a really good job of lowering the window here so you can put a nice sized TV right up against this wall and everybody can see it. If you want to sleep someone here, you can. Got a nice oversized bunk. Lift this up pretty easily. You can see it's resting on these pucks. You've got a strut here to help hold it up. And if I go underneath, now I've got a lounger. I've got a sofa, cup holders in that, and then I'll demonstrate how this opens up and turns into a bed at night. So you can sleep up to 6 people in here if you look at it. You've got all this space, and there's still room for people to get out of these bunks or that bunk if they had to and walk out and use the bathroom in the morning or at night. Hey, as you leave that half of the coach and living room, we want to show you the master suite. And why we call it a master suite is because you've got privacy down here. So got a nice hard pocket door to shut off any noise and traffic. Walk into the bathroom here. In the Legends, it's a 30 by 36 inch shower. Over here towards the bathrooms, you'll see the vanity mirror. It's oversized, platinum color to match, you know, the door and some of the hardware. Inside, toothbrush holder, some storage there. Behind your sinks, an octagon backsplash. Haven't seen that in a lot of coaches before. Porcelain toilets in all of the Surveyors. Cotton balls, Kleenexes. You don't want to flush those down the toilet. You want to put them in a trash can. So we have that in our trailers. And as we move down towards the bedroom, again, really unique to this floor plan, it's the only floor plan we're doing it at the time, is a cool entertainment center up here so you can view from the bed. You've got some storage, a vast amount of overhead space for jeans, sweatshirts, what have you. Look at the wardrobes when you're comparing us. A lot of wardrobes are there, but could you really hang something? And in the Surveyor, you'll see how tall and deep they are to go ahead and actually hang things. Surveyors have been 60 by 80 queen beds. This particular model, we added 50 amp. With that option, you can sometimes add a second AC. If you take a look, we did add a second AC to this. So 13,500 BTUs to this unit. It is packed. If you're looking for this size trailer, compare us to anybody. We have done the work as well. As we go outside the Surveyor Legend, I'm going to point out some things that are standard now. The new Euro handle, easy open, just put your thumb there and it pops open, no more messing with the paddles. Big grab handle, I'm standing on platform steps. Those used to be the pull out at the main entry. We still use them at the secondary entry, but the main in and out. As I go down the stairs, you'll see here, you'll be the envy of the campground. You've got nice lights at the awning, big patio light and amber there, so you're pretty well lit at nighttime at your campsite as well. Down here, we'll go ahead and show you the outdoor kitchen and griddle. On outdoor kitchens, you'll get the griddle, the sink, and a refrigerator. Also, you'll see a spray port that's just easily connected to the side for spraying, cleaning dishes, or what have you. And as we move to the back, ladders are now standard on all your Surveyors. You don't have to worry about adding that, and it's really good to have one. On the back, you'll see here the tire cover, and the tire cover's in promotion with Go Power. So all of your Surveyors, you're gonna get an 80-watt panel mounted on the roof for maximum sun exposure throughout the day. So if you want to go extend even further, you can daisy chain and add even more panels if you wish. But it says Go Power, Go Anywhere Surveyor, and that's an attitude that is part of this camper. We want you to go out and explore the great outdoors. Hey, thanks for giving us a chance to earn your business. You want more information, go to forestriverinc.com/surveyor. We've got PDFs, you've got more walkarounds and videos and so forth. Hope you choose our product. Appreciate you coming out. Thank you very much. Enjoy the journey. Bye-bye.